Today I'm going to review the most popular freelance websites. Okay, where websites I'm going to review, I'm going to show you their different membership plans. Okay, so how to onboard them, how to search jobs on these platforms. Okay, they are almost similar, but each have their own benefits. Okay, so the sites I'm going to review are peopleparar.com, freelancer.com, guru.com, and upwork.com. Okay. Now, first I'm going to start with this upwork.com. Now, upwork.com have a lot of jobs because recently elance.com and Odesk, they merge up to create this Upwork. Previously it was Odesk. So first you are going to create a profile on it, and they are going to verify few things. And also there is a Upwork readiness test. Okay, so they are going to ask few things about their interface and where you are going to find your jobs and a few other things. Okay, so you can find the answers to those tests online. So try to search online Upwork readiness test results, or maybe question answers, and you will find those. So you can easily pass that test. So once you have passed that test and you have created your profile, you can see here my profile is. Let me show you my profile. Okay, so here is my profile. You can see over here, you can even place a video. This is my overview. These are my skills listed over here. Also here is my work history, availability. Okay, languages, then we have phone verified. Okay, verified. And then here is the feedback from different previous work history. Okay, so in the start you will not have any work history. This is my portfolio. Okay, so the designs I have done. Then this is my certifications, Microsoft certified professional. And then we have these tests. Okay, so these tests are free if you are very good in anything like WordPress, designing, or maybe coding. Try to give some tests. If you have good scores, these are really going to shine on your profile. Okay, so you can see over here, I have taken this test 2 times above average. Then I have Dreamweaver CS test, top 30%. So these tags, top 20%, 30%, they are really going to get your profile a boost. Okay, now if you want to cheat the system, then I have found some websites where you can find all the answers to these questions. So if you want to cheat the system, you can go ahead, but I don't recommend, because in this way these are your own assessments that I am that good in these areas. Okay, so these tests are not ultimate assessment, but they have a lot of unrelevant questions, but still it is a good measure. Okay, so these are other experiences. So create your profile, work on it, try to use a photo with a smiling face and few other things. Okay, so this is how you are going to get on this website. All the other websites, they have similar view. You can see over here, it also has similarities, like changing this is my overview, title, name. Okay, so these are my locations and other things. I'm payment verified and phone verified. Okay, these are my work samples. These are very old, but I haven't worked on this site from last 5 or 6 years, I guess. Okay, now these are all other certifications, like you can see over here. And these are my skills. The profiles on different websites are similar. So don't try to create your profile on 10 or 20 websites at the same time. I think you should try first 2 or 3 websites, one very crowded and few others which are not very crowded. Okay, so here we have jobs. If you want to go to find work, you can see as interface like that. You can search for jobs. You can type your keywords like UI design, and you can view all the jobs that are related to this UI design. Okay, so you can see this is expert UX mobile designer, and payment verified. This is experienced client. It has spent a lot from United States, and these are the ratings. Okay, so these on the left side, there are filters, and we can have separate them. Like if I want hourly jobs, I can remove this check. Okay, also if we are entry level, I'm going to remove those experienced and expert and intermediate levels, and I am going to go get just the entry level jobs. Also I can save my search. You can see over here, save the search or job feed. Okay, this guru.com search jobs is also the same. You can see over here It has budget, posted time, expire time. Okay, so these are different skill categories. Hourly, fixed, it is almost the same. Okay, so you can find your jobs, filter down and see which suits you best. Okay, now one thing I want to mention over here, few websites, even the Upwork, they have membership, freelance memberships, and there are different benefits for each membership. So if you want to go ahead, you can upgrade to this plus plan, basic plan or starter plan. They have different features over here. Okay, so you can list, they have some limitations and some rewards applied to each of them. Okay, so be aware, in the start of the career, I don't think you are going to get this membership, but maybe after doing 10 or 15 jobs, you can get and buy this freelance membership. Okay, now coming to this website, People Per Hour, it is also very good website. I think it's from United Kingdom, UK, and it has also, you can see, similar structure, experience level, all jobs, remote, design, categories, filters, urgent. This is a good one, urgent. You can find urgent jobs over here. It is a bit different from the other ones. Now you can see over here, you can send proposal to each of these jobs. Also, I think you can post your hourly. It is just like Fiverr gigs, but a bit costly than that. Fiverr gigs are no more than $5. So this is a good website. Okay, so these are the big website. These are very crowded, so you can find a lot of jobs over here. Okay, so you can see like 302 jobs found for this one. So if I click all the levels over here, let's see how many jobs I have. So I have almost more than 1000 jobs on UI design. Okay, so this is the review for all the big websites. Create your account, your profile. Okay, so work on your profile, list your skills. If you have clear some tests over here. Okay, so this freelancer also have some tests. You can see over here certifications, although they charge for this certification, it is not free. Okay, so as we are freelancers, we love free things a lot and we hate doing free work. Okay, so keep in mind, this is all my review for all these websites, and if you have any questions, ask me. And these are, you can see over here, tests. This time I just reviewed the most crowded and most popular freelance websites. So let's move on to the next lesson.